I look very like ugly right now because I know I just got up. Look, boy, I look ugly right now. I know, but in this video, guys, it's Slime Suplies back again. I know it's been a long time since I made another video, but now I'm gonna make another video later on showing you how to make slime. So, and in this video, I'm gonna be showing you all my slime supplies I use to make slime. So, yeah. So, the first thing first is glue. See, I have some Elmer's glue at my grandma's, but glue. I'm almost out of glue, but I have Elmer's glue, a whole container of Elmer's glue at my grandma's. So I have to worry about glue. So yeah, glue. Some hand soap. I add this to my glue and stuff to makes it a really good texture. So yeah, I use this. I also use some lotion. You can see some nourishing mousse. It's like foaming hand soap, but it's not foaming hand soap. You gotta make sure it has this handle. So it's some mousse, which is kind of like shaving cream, because I'm out of shaving cream right now. Some hand sanitizer. I add this to my slime to make it a really good texture. It makes it a really good texture. So some perfume I add to my slime so it will smell good, because I don't have any scents to put in my slime. And I'm also sorry that the lighting is really bad, so my borax solution, I just put it in this container for no reason, but it's borax solution. Some glitter. I have pink, green, and blue. I got from Dollar Tree. Also some Silky Stay Shave Gel, which is always makes it fluffy too. I'm sorry if you can see. Some paints. This is the first paint. Black paint. Royal Gold metallic paint. Some Tajana, like orange color paint. A spatula. And some food coloring, which I'll show you the food coloring. Red food coloring. Blue food coloring. Green food coloring. And some yellow food coloring. So yeah, like all of it. See, that's a whole lot of stuff, as you can see. So yeah, this is the end of the video. So make sure to subscribe, hit that thumbs up button, and yeah, and my next notification shout out will be next week. So make sure to stay tuned for that. Bye guys, love y'all.